Hey, you. Wait, me? Yeah, you, of course. What is it? Every week on my channel, I'm going to be giving away free Robux. Whoa, really? Well, I kind of need Robux. How do you enter? There's only 4 simple steps. Okay, well, just show me. Well, it's pretty simple. If you go into the Jack Harron channel with the brand new banner, by the way, check out the video if you want to see how. All you have to do for the first step is just subscribe. Simple as. And that's pretty much it. Whoa, that was an easy step. What's next? Next, you gotta turn on post notifications, so you know when I upload. Fair enough. Then, you gotta go to my brand new group. Just type in Jeff is awesome 2111111. Click on my Roblox character and join my group. We have 44 members, which is awesome. And we are giving away Robux every single week. That's amazing! What's next? Then you gotta go into my latest video and just type in something like and enter it in. Wow, really? What happens if you don't see my comment? I see every single one of the comments. I look at the names, I type in the username. Let's just put random names in here. And then I just apply for the wheel. Once this is done, every week I will look at all the comments that have commented. Click on the wheel. This person will get then the Robux. But they have to also put in on the comments their username. So I know who that person is. Seems fair enough to me. So, can you show some proof? Of course I can show some proof. I can even admit the Robux. I got 505 and I'm getting 15 a day with my BC. So, as I am the owner, I'll look at everyone in the chat, go to group admin. I will then go to payouts. As you can see, I have 0 funds, but because I'm awesome, I will do this. I go to my own store, which you can buy the brand new Superman t-shirt, 50% off. I'll lower the Robux because I don't want to spend that much. But I'll show you now. Pretty much what I'll do, I'll see the Robux. I will then delete my own t-shirt as a badass. Then I will rebuy it with my Robux, which I get 15 a day, which in the end I will actually earn any, but this is for you guys. I then go all the way back to my group, which I went a bit too far there. Go to group admin. As you can see, the numbers changed to 10 Robux. So I now give 10 Robux funds. I go to someone, so let's see, this person, a good friend of mine, just as an example. Search them, click them, and I give them 5 Robux because I'll be picking 2 at that week. So I click pay. As you can see, I now have 490 Robux and only 5 left. So that's pretty much it. All you have to do is those simple steps. Don't forget to like this video, guys. If you think this is a really cool idea, I'll be doing one every single week up to June. So do comment down below. I will be looking at all your comments and names. And don't forget to put your Roblox character, as I'll be giving away 5 Robux each. It might not be a lot, but hey, it's Robux, right? So there you go. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you follow the steps, and I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.